Recently, more and more space news is reaching the media. This is due to a big rise in space companies such as SpaceX and Blue Origin. These companies are out to further advance and privatize the industry of space. They invest millions of dollars into developing this industry. They want exploration of space and are trying to get there. This is a basic ideal that was developed during the Enlightenment. People during that time focused on exploration on all types of ways. Two of them was scientific and exploring the world. Now humans are curious and question the world around them. People like Isaac Newton and other scientific explorers expanded the critical thinking part of people. This is what led to scientists developing tools to explore space. Though, as the Cold War ended, funding was cut for NASA, and it had to rely on other methods. This may have been a reason why privatization of space opened up in 2004. NASA wanted to rely on the help of private companies for space exploration, and these companies came about fairly quickly. NASA had inspired a generation to look to the stars through the space race. When this generation grew up, they took the chance, and people like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos took the opportunity to develop companies for space exploration. Now NASA is partnering with these companies in order to have them do deliveries to the International Space Station and develop rockets and spaceships. For example, NASA is partnering with Blue Origin to accomplish its recent announced goal of getting people to the moon by 2024. This industry in space is growing, and some people want to completely remove the government or NASA from the equation. This is similar to how many Enlightenment thinkers called physiocrats wanted no government involvement in the free market. These people include the new NASA director. He proposed to make the ISS, or the International Space Station, privatized, though people bashed it for being a terrible idea. People have changed their views from the Enlightenment, and this is due to the earlier 20th century. In that time period, big businesses were taking over and making life terrible for everyone. That was when people realized businesses do need restrictions by the government because the people get a say in government against big businesses. In this case, that is true too. These philanthropists are interested in seeing their hard work in space result in something before they are gone, so they may take risks and underdeliver and have no results. They also have to worry about investors. Right now, money is made by launching man-made satellites into space, and in the future, companies plan to rely on asteroid and comet mining to extract minerals and metals that will be worth millions. The government or NASA is there not to make money though, but to advance science. Neil deGrasse Tyson says that
reserve NASA for advancing a frontier, part of what its charter had established for itself in 1958.
But there's been some...
Science doesn't earn money, and the people want someone doing science. Therefore, there has to be a balance between NASA and private companies. This balance is similar to the balance of the people and government that Jean-Jacques Rousseau proposed. This balance is what is perfect for two codependent systems, and this perfection may never be reached, but we can try to create a balanced system, whether it be within space, government, or any other codependent system that may exist.